Hello and welcome back to Healthy Fime. Imagine making rich, creamy, dreamy ice cream without an ice cream maker, without refined sugar, and with just 4 simple ingredients you probably already have. Sounds like a fantasy? Not today. This is the ice cream that actually loves you back. Packed with nutrients, no preservatives, and tastes like a guilty pleasure without the guilt. And no, this isn't one of those ice creams that taste like frozen disappointment. We're talking real texture, real flavor, real satisfaction. If you're tired of feeling guilty every time you grab dessert, or confused by labels you can't pronounce, this is for you. Let's jump right into step 1, preparation, where healthy indulgence begins. Alright, here's your power-packed all-natural ingredient list. Chia seeds. These tiny superstars expand when soaked, giving us that gel-like, ice cream thick texture. Bonus, they're loaded with fiber and omega-3s. Cashews, buttery, creamy, and rich. Soaked cashews blend into a silky base that rivals dairy cream. Whole milk adds body and richness. Want a dairy-free twist? You can use almond or oat milk too. Rock sugar or dates, our natural sweeteners. They bring the sweetness without spiking your blood sugar. Rock sugar? Dates? Yes, because you deserve dessert that doesn't come with a sugar crash or a side of regret. Start by soaking 1.5 cup of cashews in water for at least 2 hours or overnight if you want them extra soft. Soak 2 tablespoons of chia seeds in 1/2 cup of milk and let them expand. This gives us that signature bite. This is where dessert meets smart prep, and your blender becomes your best friend. Now that everything's softened and soaked, we're ready for the transformation. In your blender, toss in soaked cashews, chia seed mixture, 1 cup of whole milk, and 2 tablespoons of rock sugar or 3 to 4 dates. Adjust to taste. Now, blend until smooth. Give it a full 1 to 2 minutes. You want it creamy, not gritty. And here's where things get interesting. Don't be fooled by the beige color. This stuff packs flavor punches in disguise. Tip: if it's too thick, add a splash of milk. Too runny, add a few more soaked chia seeds. You're the chef. You're in control. No rules, just delicious, natural results. Now we've got our base. Let's freeze this into something truly scoop-worthy. Pour your creamy base into a freezer-safe container. Cover it and freeze for at least 4 to 6 hours, or overnight for best results. Pro tip: give it a stir every hour or so in the first 2 to 3 hours to reduce iciness. And when you're ready to serve, let it sit at room temperature for 5 to 10 minutes to soften up before scooping. Yes, I know, waiting is hard. But remember, good things come to those who freeze. And here's the beauty. The texture is rich, spoonable, and satisfying, like traditional ice cream, without the mystery ingredients. Want to take it to gourmet levels? I've got serving hacks and variations coming right up. Chill. Once you have the base, you can flavor it your way. Add cocoa powder for a chocolate cashew twist. Blend in frozen mango for a tropical escape, or swirl in cinnamon and nutmeg for a chai-inspired flavor. Now, let's talk health for a second. Cashews equals plant protein, chia equals fiber plus omega-3. Dates equals low glycemic energy, milk, any calcium plus richness, store-bought. Healthy ice creams often come with gums, artificial flavors, and more sugar than a can of soda. This one, it's so clean you could serve it to a toddler and a bodybuilder with 0 edits. This isn't just dessert. It's peace of mind in a bowl. Because what you eat should energize you, not sabotage you. If this recipe blew your mind or your taste buds, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more natural, delicious recipes that make you feel good. Try it. Share it, and drop your favorite ice cream flavors in the comments. Your twist might be in the next video. Stay sweet, stay real. And remember, you just made ice cream out of 4 ingredients and zero nonsense. Now that's what I call a cool victory.